Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to target the right audience in Facebook ads. So if you are planning to run an advert on Facebook and you want to know exactly how to target the right audience for your business, this is exactly how to do it. So first of all, you log into your ad manager. Before I forget, let me make it clear to you. I have done several tutorials on how to run an ad campaign. If you want to run an ad campaign for messages or for engagement or messages, you can check the link above. If you're going to run an advert for purchase or conversions, like a conversion ad campaign or for purchases or something relating to a conversion event, you can check the link above. Then also, if you also want to run an advert on how to get leads, I've also done a video on that. You can also check it above. Then you can also check, I will also leave them in the description of this video. You can follow to be able to run an advert for any of those objectives. However, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to focus on how to create an audience. So if you want a full tutorial on how to create the ad campaign, that is the one you will check about, but this is how to create the audience. So you first of all go to create. I even want to change the ad account. So I have many ad accounts. I'm changing to one of my ad accounts. Okay. So I want to create the ad campaign here. So you click on create. And I also want to just use engagement ad campaign to demonstrate. You can use any of them, but I'm just using engagement as an example because it's engagement ad campaign is one of the simplest ad campaigns you can create. So I will use engagement. Then here you go to manual. Don't choose tailored messages campaign settings or something like that, or tailored campaign settings. Use the manual so that you can put specific settings. The tailored one are for those who don't know what they want to do. So when you come to this level, you do all the settings. I'm going straight to the audience because that is my goal for this advert, for this video. Sorry. So you scroll down and go to audience. So under audience, you see it will say audience controls, and you will see locations. You also see switch to original audience. So you click on switch to original audience, then you click on use original audience. Then you come and choose your location. So I'm going to choose, we have many locations here. I want to choose Ghana. Of course. Okay, so I'm choosing Ghana. So you choose whichever country or whichever city you want to target. If you want to target more locations, so for example, if I want to add a city like New York, okay, just giving an example. So you can add. This is just an example. But if you're going to run an advert that would target different countries like continent apart, normally I will advise you that you can do different ad set, because once they are continent apart, the behavior of the audience are totally going to be different. So it is normally better to use at least cities or towns within the same geographic region, or at least within a continent, and the results could be better. Okay, so you do that. You scroll down and come and choose the age. So say I want to choose from 25 to, it depends. So you look at whatever you want to do and look at the right audience that should be for it. So for example, if you're selling something that you think is for those from 25 to 65 plus, you choose that. Then the gender, if it is for all genders, fine. But if it is something exclusively for men, for example, you are selling men's shoes, I want to advise you to include women. The reason is that it's not that you will not get women who may be buying men's shoes. You may get, but it's a very few percentage. And you're going to waste your money spending your ad money on them. And they are not, majority of them are not going to buy. So you are going to waste your money. So if it is something for men, choose men only. If it is something exclusively for women, choose women. If it is something for both, you can allow all. So this one, as an example, I'm including all. Now we go to the demographics. Sometimes the demographics may not show. If it doesn't show, you can save it and go and edit it, and then you'll be able to see that option. So let's say I'm selling a personal development book that is called Achieving Your Greatest Dreams. It's a personal development about how to achieve your most ambitious goals and dreams. So when I come to the detail targeting, I can choose terms like think and grow rich, think and grow rich. Think and grow rich is not showing. So another term you can try is try something like personal development, personal development. So you can see personal development mentor. So what this means is, if you don't understand, some people may think that when they choose personal development mentor, they are targeting the mentor. No, what you are targeting is people who follow personal development mentors. They are likely to be people who are looking for personal development, and therefore they'll be looking for a personal development book. So you target them. You can try a term like personal growth. Personal growth. You see, personal development, personal identity. So this is one of them. You can try a term like inspiration. So daily inspiration, we have digital inspiration, and all that. We have inspirational quotes. Now, all these that I'm adding, these are terms that relate to what I am targeting. I'm just using these terms to demonstrate to you, depending on what you are looking for. So if you are selling something related to electronics, you can type all the terms that relate to electronics, like electronic gadget, digital digital activities, so that you get people who are going to show interest relating to electronics. If you are selling something that relate to men wear, or whether women or men wear, or fashion, you can type fashion, shopping and fashion design, all those terms that relate to what that industry, and then you get the right people. So after you are done, you come and click on what? Save, so that you save the audience. So when you click on save, you'll be asked to what? To get a name for the audience. Then you get a name for it. However, I was only demonstrating to you because I already have a saved audience. I'm not going to save this audience. I would rather come and show you one of my used audience and how I set it up. So even if you were not able to add some of the detailed targeting terms, you could have just clicked on what? Save. So after you have saved it, you could have come and click on use saved audience. Then you can edit one of these. So when you come and click on edit, and you click on edit, you see, so you can add the video locations that are the right locations. And then also you can add the detailed targeting terms that relate to whatever you're going to sell. This is just a demonstration. So when you do this, your advert is going to show to the right people. And then don't forget, also when you come to the placement, click here and then click on manual placement. Don't choose automatic. Automatic means you don't know what you want. Choose manual, come and remove audience network and messenger. And then the rest, like especially Facebook feed, Instagram feed, and the video feed are the best. And then Reels, they are the very good placement where your advert can run. So these are just a basic demonstration of how to target the right audience using their location, their age, and then also adding the placement where you can get those people. If you follow this and you have any problem, you can leave your comments in the comment section. I will follow up to help you get whatever you want to do right. We also charge to set up effective ad campaigns for our clients. If you are running advert and you're not getting the results you're looking for, follow us, or you can follow the WhatsApp link or Telegram link in the description of this video to WhatsApp us or to send us a message on Telegram, and we'll reach out to you to help you. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video for other more powerful videos like this. Once again, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.